44 to 44-6?
Yeah.
Nolan ain't playing well. Shout out to that boy E.O. So that boy went for 240 in the first half? Jeez. That boy went crazy in the first half.
Can we play in the second half?
Let's see how the other side looking.
Down south brothers.
I'll see how the other side looking. But right now, we got tuned into this F5 action on the field. Norland wants some of that action. They will get some of that action of both teams on this field actually tonight. And we would love to be at both games.
Okay, coming down for that St. Norman game. That should be a big game too.
That's also going to be a big game.
Listen, Jaden Ford is everything he's advertised. He is like that.
Yes, he is. That boy's nice.
Brother of the Ford, and maybe the best one out of all. I said it already. I'm saying it again. And that's a lot to say coming from that game.
Yeah. So they have a whole vessel.
Shout out to Mom.
Nice.
She's a sexual 104 life too.
Appreciate you.
She always shows in the service. We broke the news first that we had 96 for this year. That's sexual 104.
Yep. You already know, got the high from the eggplant head. That's alright. But we gonna still bring y'all the best. And yes, we will upload this game to YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to watch it again, you need to go on our page, and we will have it on YouTube. Yeah, Bam, you already know. Yeah, I can't say the word I actually want to say. That's why Fat Pat. Feel me? So I'm just going to say eggplant eggs. I know what that means. Shout out to all the band members, man, from both schools, man. Coming out here working hard, just as hard as the football team to come out here on Fridays and perform. Who you can see, Five? Come up here then, Five. Flood. Action about to begin in less than 2 minutes, so y'all make sure y'all come back in.
How they get 14. It's good. It happened that quick.
Yeah, that quick.
Thomas in the hole, 29-20.
Yeah, they said this Coco team was about that smoke. Third quarter, minute 16 left. Man, that's for the St. Thomas game.
We was gonna go to that game.
Yep, but the fans voted. Section 104s, they voted. And they said they want to see -6 on Booker T. And right now,
last night. Well, you know, that's how we normally give it to y'all. Like, you know, again, it ain't us. But we did what we can do. Bring this live experience to y'all.
just because we love y'all. And y'all know, we know y'all love us back. Okay, yeah, they're playing that phone.
Hey, Ben, don't say that. Don't say that.
Why would you say that, bro?
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Don't do us like that. Now we gotta pray extra hard to the football God. You should be praying with us too, dog.
Yeah, Lee, man. Everybody love everybody, man. Some of the kids don't know nothing about that song.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of them probably weren't born when this came out.
Oh, majority of them
Yeah,
on the
majority of them
on the
weren't born.
all of them on the field wasn't born.
They probably would start up because you know, we are in Miami. This is I say that out loud.
Everybody praying because of you, Ben.
Classic.
Ben made the church say amen. Yeah, none of them was born.
Say 7 minutes ain't done yet.
It actually
Got a minute
is.
and 50 under.
Hey, F5 say you can't rush greatness, baby.
Yeah, Central already went.
Yeah, since you went first, you missed that. And you already
I
know.
tell y'all we was jumping right back on.
You already know, T.Y. You can't stop what God got planned. You know that. No man can.
Listen, man, we have campaign Section 104 shirts on deck. Get at us after the game, man.
I hear my boy Chuck, man. I tell him start
Don't
tuning
have
back
size
in,
extra
man.
large though. You have to pre-order those. Wow.
Yeah.
We sold out of extra large. We try to tell y'all to get in on the pre-orders.
I think they did good, but you know,
How y'all feel in the chat?
we gonna let the fans vote. We gonna let the fans vote, and I guess we'll see our answer from there. But I think both bands did good. But, you know, I got a different ear. Yeah, the crowd feeling that right there. Crowd feeling that right now. Get up on that boy. Get off my boy. Get off. Get off my boy. Get off. Y'all stop playing with him, man. 6 out of 10. Who that? Boogie T? Oh, you talking about Central? Stop playing with him. I had to close up on him real quick because he was getting off, you heard? Them boys say they ready.
They ain't done yet. Yeah, that's directly that Central.
Yeah, that's directly that Central. You already know it is. They ready. Yeah, you missed Central.
Definitely did.
We told y'all it was for to come right back. You know we won for the Mr. Band. We most definitely weren't trying to do that.
Another away team goes first. Score is 21-14. It feel like 30 years and we still playing every That's gonna be a staple of the band.
Well, We Ready ain't going nowhere, man. Okay. Nigga T ain't playing with him, man.
You see smoke?
Okay, y'all see the smoke? Yeah. Woo! They say they don't want no smoke. They say Central don't want no smoke. They say Central don't want no smoke. Yeah.